Hello friends, I am Akash and today I am going to show you how to install the RAM on the motherboard. I have the G-Skills Trident Z RAMs and these are DDR4 modules. Two of them, both are 8GB and 8GB. So total of 16GB RAMs. Okay, first thing that you need to confirm through your motherboard's manual that which is the best slot for installing the RAM. If you are installing only one module, then it's basically the slot which is near to the processor, but you should confirm from your manual. As in my case it is mentioned here that it should be start from the right corner. If you are installing only one, then this one. If I am using two, then on first and the third, and if I am using first, second, and then third and fourth. So you should read your motherboard's manual. And the second thing, this is the RAM. You should always align. You can see it has an indent here. Always align the slot also have this small spot inside. Always align this indent with that. As you can see, it is not aligned properly. And open these latches, both sides, and align it properly. And push it slowly. It will lock automatically. So friends, we have installed both the RAMs. So if you find the video useful, you can hit the like button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.